In this video, we are going to walk you through the assembly process of our walk-behind leaf vacuum and chipper. First, start by opening up and removing all of the contents from the box. Locate the operator's manual and the spare parts bag labeled Part 1. Start by attaching the wheel bracket to the engine frame. Use 4 M8 by 50 bolts and 4 M8 nuts. Next, install the swivel wheels to the wheel bracket using 2 M8 by 50 bolts and 2 M8 nuts. Locate the 2 wheel fixing plates. Attach the plates to the frame using 4 M8 by 20 bolts and 4 M8 nuts. Install the wheel axle through the fixing plates. On the first wheel, install 1 cotter pin, a flat washer, the front wheel, then another flat washer, and another cotter pin. On the other side, install the wheel, 1 flat washer, and a cotter pin. Don't forget to bend the cotter pins when you are done. Next, loosen and remove the nut and bolt from the side of the housing. Then, install the wood chipper chute. Make sure to secure them tightly with the nut and bolt that you just took off and 2 more additional nuts. Next, install the lower handlebar to the base of the unit. Install both the left and right connecting bar to the lower handlebar. Once the connecting bars are tightly secured, insert the upper handlebar. Next, install the discharge chute at the top of the machine. Note the 2 pre-drilled holes. Use 2 screws to install the clamp base at the top of the discharge chute. Next, grab the collections bag and slide the collections port over the discharge chute. Then secure it tightly using the belt. Install the collection bag onto the handlebar using 4 star-shaped nuts and bolts. Next, fasten the vacuum snout kit to the front of the machine using 6 M8 nuts. Connect the metal vacuum port to the hose using the included hose clamp. Use a flat head screwdriver to tighten the clamp. Then install the handlebar to the metal vacuum port. Next, install the other end of the hose onto the vacuum snout. Use another hose clamp to secure it tightly. Then clamp the handlebar to the base with a D-pin. Lastly, remove the 2 screws and use them to install the deflector. You are now ready to use your SuperHandy walk-behind leaf vacuum and chipper.